Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change your avatar on Zoom. So to do that, you're going to go to video and you're going to select video settings, or you can go straight to choose avatar. You can create your own avatar, or you can select from these options that they have here. I like the bunny one a lot, but you can create a new avatar. So here I'm just going to try to make one that looks like me. If this would just load. Is there one that's a girl or not? Or it's just probably the same here. There should be like a preview, but I can't see any because I think it's still loading. So I'm just going to click on some stuff here and see what comes up. Okay. We'll just go with this one. Or this one. I don't know. Let's just go with this one. Can change the eye color. Oh, this is the hair color. Sorry. The eye shape. Okay, this is cute. And the eye color as well here. I'm just going to leave it. Also some eyelashes as well here. You can change that. Eyelash color. We're going to skip that. Eyebrow shapes. Nose. The mouth is, let's just go with the default nose actually. The mouth. I can't even see that. Okay. You can also change the lip color here. The age. Can't see either. Facial hair. Clothing. I'll just use this one. And there's also head covering, some glasses if you'd like to. Very cute, actually. Let's just go with this one. And we're going to select done. And we're going to select this. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!